Let's learn natural English.
Examples.
Now I don't feel like going out tonight with everybody. Now she probably won't agree with that crazy idea anyway. Now we already watched that movie a few weeks ago. I stayed home 'cause I wasn't feeling very well yesterday. She was smiling 'cause she finally passed the driving test. We canceled the picnic 'cause it started raining really hard. I saw Em waiting outside the shopping mall after lunch. Tell Em we're gonna arrive a little later than expected. The teacher gave Em extra homework before the weekend started. We talked till midnight about our future plans and dreams. Stay here till your parents come back from the supermarket. She worked till very late to finish the important report. Excuse me, ma'am, you dropped your wallet near the entrance. Ma'am, your table will be ready in about 10 minutes. Thank you, ma'am, for helping me find the correct address.